Today, my friends, Astorakos is going to show you how we can fix a water leak on a washer machine. We have here a washer machine which leak of water, and we are going to turn it in his side for looking in the bottom of the machine what's happened. As you see here, uh, we have in the app of your screen, this is a water pump, and there is a rubber pipe which connect this pump with our water machine, and we have to look this pipe for any damage. It's a little bit difficult to see if there is a damage. That's why we can get out of water machine this rubber pipe, put water inside and stretch it with our hand, as you see here, for 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 uh, uh, for seeing if we have a water leaking in some place all around this pipe. After we check this pipe, we have no water leaking in this place because we checked 2 times here all over the way. So we're going to put this pipe again in his place. Okay, now we have put this pipe again in his place. We screw this screw which holding the pipe and the two iron pieces which holding the pipe, as you see here. And now we are going to get out the cover, the upper cover of our washing machine for checking inside all over the system which can have a water leak. There are two screws, and after we get out the cover, you see here the place which we're putting our soap for our washer, and there are two pipes which bring in the water in this system. So we have to check these pipes for leaking, and also after we check these two pipes, we can put out the front cover, as you see here, for getting out the whole system which in where we're putting our soap, because as you can see, beside these two pipes, except these two water pipes, there is another rubber pipe above the system, so we have to check in this pipe for leakage. We have unscrewed this 4 screw which holding the spring of our washer machine. We have get out the two pipes from the soap system, and now you are seeing the rubber pipe above this system. And now after we get out the soap system, we can now check better for leakage these two pipes, and also we can check this rubber hose. If we want, we can get out this hose and check it for leakage by putting water inside, as you see in the first rubber hose. So we have to check also this pipe, and we have to check also the front door rubber for leakage. As you see here, there is a piece of spring with an iron holder all around this rubber, and we have to get out this o-ring, this metal o-ring which holding the rubber, and after that we push the rubber inside for getting out another metal o-ring which holds the rubber of the inside place. With this way we can change the rubber if we see that we have a leakage from there. It doesn't need to get all the upper cover as I have already did. If we have to change only the front rubber, the front door rubber, it is necessary to get out the upper cover of our water machine. Now, we're starting to assemble again our water machine, putting the system of soap and the front cover with all the buttons, as you see here. We connect again the pipes, and we have find nowhere something damaged, so the leak must coming from this cup of soap in where we have much garbage from old soap which come like a stone, and when the water come inside of this place, splash around, and sometimes going out from this place. So we haven't damaged something, we haven't to change something, but only to clean very well the cap of our soap. Now we're going to put again the cover, the up cover. We have put in place the front cover very carefully. We have already put a screw which holding these two plastic together, and now we have closed the upper cover, and our washing machine is ready for working. We haven't to change something, as I say you before, because we have no damage in some parts, and all the water coming from the cup of soap, as you see here, not from the rubber of front door, but only from the cup of soap. That's why you see a little bit rust in the two edges of this cup of soap. So we have only to clean this cup. You see, sometimes it doesn't need to change parts. We was like you see here the rust of our water leaking. Thank you very much for watching my video. Maybe subscribe on Mastorako channel.